Hey, what is up guys, Tech Tony, and right now we are doing the $1,000 Ryzen 5 build. As you see on the table, we have a Cooler Master Silencio 352 case. We have a Corsair CX750 power supply. We have a Zotac GTX 980 Ti Omega Edition. We have a AsRock AB350M motherboard, a Ryzen 5 1600, and 2 sticks of 2800 megahertz 8 gig sticks, 2 of those, and one 2 terabyte Seagate Barracuda hard drive. This build is basically for my friend Michael, who is going to be streaming and playing Dust 2 and whatnot. Honestly, this is pretty much an overkill build for him, but yeah, we're going to be building with my cameraman Daniel behind the camera. I don't know, you want to give him a thumbs up or something? Yeah, there we go. So yeah, he's going to be helping me build this whole thing, and yeah, that's going to be pretty much it. Okay, so we're going to unbox this motherboard right now. You see we got the IO shield here. We have designed for SATA 3, the SATA cable. Manual, which we're definitely gonna have to look at. Little tiny screw in a bag, whatever that is. The driver CD, room, and some ad stuff for their LEDs. Sweet. And for the actual thing that we're here to unbox, the motherboard. Look at that beauty right there. Cameraman, you liking this?
It's looking good.
Is it looking sharp? Oh yeah. Ooh. Hey look, AsRock, they're smart. They have a little padding on the bottom so I don't hurt myself. Okay, so yeah, you see the whole thing right here. We got the M.2, we got the PCI Express, we got the whole shebang here pretty much. Isn't that pretty neat? Yeah, pretty cool. Okay. So what we have next unboxed is the Ryzen 5 1600, and look for me, I already opened it. The CPU is right here, and it even comes with a little cool sticker. I'm definitely gonna put that on somewhere, I don't know, maybe secretly. And we have their new cooler that we will be using to cool this bad boy right here. Wow, their packaging makes it look like it's the arc reactor from Iron Man. I just figured that out. Sweet, sweet, but yeah. This shall pretty much be just enough to keep it cool. And we already have the thermal paste on there. Come on. There we go. Just leave you right here for now. There we go. Slide that to the side. Okay, so I'm not even going to bother trying to slide this monstrosity of a thing. Yeah, we have our Zotac Omega Edition 980 Ti. Here we go. Toss the box aside because we don't need that. Wait. How does it open from this side? Okay. Bada bing. Oh, look at that. The Amp Omega. Yep, I already did a video review of this thing and it performs pretty dang well. I just put it back for this whole thing. Toss all that to the underneath the table for now. But yeah, this behemoth of a cooler here. We'll keep this thing, baby. Actually, it's pretty quiet of a GPU, even though since the Omega Edition just gets a little bit too hotter than the other Zotac Amp Edition cards. The Amp Extreme and just the Amp Edition, right? Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, this right here still performs pretty well. I would totally recommend it if you can buy this on eBay for like under 300 because it actually performs pretty dang good. You see it says push the limit. Okay, next we just have our RAM and our power supply. We have Ripjaws 4 and Ripjaws 5 from G Skills. Actually, I think Daniel, were you the one that gave me the Ripjaws 4?
I believe so.
Or was it the Ripjaws 5?
I think I got you the black ones.
The black ones? Oh, whatever. But they're the same speed, so it doesn't matter, so don't worry about it. There's different heat spreaders. So we have those for a PC that are as tall as 16 gigabytes, and we have the Corsair CX750M power supply. It's 80 plus bronze. Let's open this up. Okay, how the heck do you open this thing? Where is it? I need assistance. Oh wait, come on. Help, I can't open a box. Thank you, cameraman. Okay, Cameron, I'm gonna need some help here. You get in the frame, man.
I'm getting in the frame.
How do you open this contraption, Corsair? Fix it.
Okay, so you just look and you see. Looks like it opens from this side.
Oh, duh.
Easy as that.
I think we've opened it upside down. Well, I guess it doesn't. I guess it doesn't really matter. Yeah, we got the warranty guide right here. We have important safety information. Don't stick a knife in it, pretty much, kids. Here we got the cable for it. Oh, this is. I think this is semi-modular, so we got all the extra cables here and how to power the dang thing on. And we have a unit here. Ooh, it's like an egg carton. Yep. The fresh power supply here. Reputable brand right here, kids. Yep, just a basic power supply right here. Okay, so the case that we have is the Cooler Master Silencio 352. Just hold on, let me grab the screwdriver here. I like it when manufacturers make thumb screws really hard to unscrew by hand, right? They send it to you. It almost defeats the purpose, right? Yeah, the Silencio model has sound deafening foam. Just the front right here has a little door right here. Also sound deafening foam and back. And it has a nice little cover to hold your drink if you want to spill it on accident or whatever. It will actually be able to fit the humongous 980 Ti Amp Omega edition, which forget it. So yeah, this is going to be the case that we're going to be building in, and yeah.
Jack it up.
Yeah, now we just gotta plug everything in. Wow, look at that. Okay, first things first, let's move this thing. Wow, this thing actually gets a whole lot of power for a CPU to run. Click the motherboard. Yep, we're just gonna be testing it to see if everything works real quick. God, Jesus, the motherboard cable is the biggest pain, you know. Come on, it's the wrong way. Come on. Come on, get in there, dog. Oh, wait, I had it right the first time. Just being like, oh. You can plug in the GPU if you want right now. If you
Get this thing up and running faster.
yeah.
Oh, where's the cable?
It's right here.
Alright, so two, no, I guess we have 2 8-pins.
Yep. I think it has a weird clipping mechanism with just some,
Does it just push together? Oh, I see how it goes.
you understand that? Yeah, we're not too, there we go. Okay.
Just click in. Like that.
Yep.
Or something.
Go, Daniel, go.
Like that. Okay, so
Okay, sweet.
you ready to power it on?
Might be kind of useful to actually plug this in through the HDMI port right now.
Is your power supply switched on?
Yes.
Ready? Let's see if I got the right pins. Did I do it? Here B.
Oh boy, is it working? It's quiet though.
Well, I mean, that's about it. It's supposed to run passive when it's not
Quite nice.
moving much.
Okay, do I have to change the source possibly on this thing? Okay. Okay, maybe it's on the O's. Just go around you.
Hey Tony,
Yeah?
I don't think your graphics card's plugged all the way in.
Is it not?
You know, here, look at this. I can see the pins.
Huh, maybe.
You might want to turn it off and correct that. You might want to cut that from the video.
Probably.
I never got that doing it outside the case, but I mean,
Never
unless
did
you
I.
have like some overcomplicated case that you can't get into and out of. I mean, but
Okay, is it all the way in now?
yeah, it's all in.
Okay, good.
Lock the clip.
I did not yet.
Okay,
Now it's locked.
power supply on.
It is. HDMI cable is in.
We're ready to go.
Yep.
Right.
Bada bing. It is quite a quiet system though. You barely hear it. Hey!
Well, would you look at that?
Okay, so we Ryzen 5 1600 6 core. Want to zoom in on that cameraman?
Oh yeah, I'll zoom in on the screen.
Just zoom in on the whole thing.
Oh yes.
Full memory, 16 gigabytes. If I actually read it correctly. We know that the graphics card is working because it's plugged into it. Ryzen 5 1600 6 core processor. Yeah, we have everything good to go. So now we can just shut this off. But I think we pretty much have everything fixed out. And now we actually got to get to put this all inside the case. Okay, so me and Daniel are both done with this computer build. You see that it looks quite nice. We've 980 amp Omega edition. Evo is like, what is it, like a 11.5 inch card or something like that, something ridiculous. actually fits it quite well. This is a baller case to work in. Everything's all nice and plugged in. We tried to tuck all the cables as much as possible. You know, it's not the best job, but we did as best as we can. Yeah, all we have to do now is just power it on and see if it works. Okay, so now we're gonna see if it turns on actually. I'm liking that sound.
What is that noise? Is there a cable stuck in a fan?
Is that a hard drive?
Did he buy it new or refurbished?
New.
We'll find out.
Oh, I guess we'll find out. Oh boy. That's a really quiet thing right there.
That's nice.
Yeah, it is nice. Don't you wish you had this, didn't you?
You know, if I didn't have my extra monitor, my laptop would run passive most of the time, but with the monitor, the fan doesn't turn off.
Maybe I'll get the input signal not found. Gas, but it's
well, it doesn't have an operating system, so open up the BIOS.
I can open there. Press any key. Okay.
Yeah, okay, so it looks like it's going fine, but yeah, open up the BIOS, make sure everything's detected, and test the reset switch.
It works.
Oh, I wired it right?
Yeah.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Boom, buddy, boom. Okay.
Okay, so now that we're done with the build, I would just have to like to say that the build went pretty dang smoothly. The only thing that we had was one hiccup, and that was the hard drive, the 2 terabyte hard drive that we had, and it failed on us, and it was dead on arrival. Early in the video, I was talking about how I heard sound come from the PC, but it didn't sound like a fan or anything, and I said that it was for the hard drive, and that indeed was correct. When me and Daniel installed the operating system, Windows 10 unactivated, it only read 4 gigabytes, so we actually had to send it back, and in a week, Amazon graciously sent one back pretty quickly, and we got that installed really quickly, and just the whole PC ran fine, no hiccups really. The person was very excited that we built it for him. He always wanted a pretty strong PC for his Twitch streaming and video editing, and especially gaming. If you want, I have his Twitch channel on the bottom in the description. If you wish to follow him, I'll be in the chat sometimes just to chat around and possibly be streaming with him in the near future possibly. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Please subscribe for more content, hopefully, as long as I can actually record videos and it doesn't take me like months to edit them. But yeah, stay tuned for more.